skin tan is caused by prolonged exposure to the sun's UV rays. When your skin is exposed to the sun, it produces melanin, a pigment that gives your skin its color. Melanin is produced to protect the skin from further damage caused by UV rays. However, if you spend too much time in the sun, your skin produces more melanin than usual, resulting in a darker skin tone. This is known as tanning. The intensity of tanning depends on various factors like skin type, time of the day, and geographical location. Apart from the sun, skin tan can also be caused by artificial UV sources like tanning beds, which emit harmful UV rays and can cause skin damage. Other factors that contribute to skin tan include pollution, excessive sweating, hormonal changes, and certain medications. It's essential to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays by using sunscreen and protective clothing. Additionally, stay hydrated, eat a healthy diet, and avoid excessive exposure to the sun to prevent skin tanning. Sunlight, the most common cause of skin tan, is exposure to sunlight. The sun emits ultraviolet A, UVA, and ultraviolet B, UVB, rays, which penetrate the skin and stimulate the production of melanin. UVB rays primarily cause sunburn, while UVA rays penetrate deeper into the skin and contribute to tanning. Tanning beds or sunbeds are artificial devices that emit UV radiation, primarily UVA rays. These rays stimulate melanin production, leading to skin tanning. However, tanning beds can be more harmful than natural sunlight as they often emit higher levels of UVA radiation. Certain medications, such as certain antibiotics, antipsychotics, and birth control pills, can make the skin more sensitive to UV radiation. This increased sensitivity can result in easier tanning or sunburn with minimal sun exposure. Skin type and genetics. The natural skin color and the amount and type of melanin produced by an individual's skin are determined by their genetics. People with darker skin tones have more melanin and naturally more protection against UV radiation, while those with lighter skin tones have less melanin and are more prone to tanning. Time of the year and location. The intensity of UV radiation varies depending on the time of year, geographic location, and altitude. Sun exposure during summer months or in regions closer to the equator can result in a more intense tan due to higher levels of UV radiation. Reflection. Certain surfaces, such as water, sand, snow, or concrete, can reflect UV radiation, increasing the exposure and contributing to tanning. This is why people often get tanned while at the beach or in snowy environments. Sunburn. When the skin is exposed to excessive amounts of UV radiation, it can lead to sunburn. Sunburn is a visible sign of skin damage and is characterized by redness, pain, and peeling. In response to sunburn, the skin may produce more melanin, resulting in a tan as a protective mechanism. Melanin production. Melanin is the pigment responsible for determining the color of the skin, hair, and eyes. When the skin is exposed to UV radiation, melanocytes, specialized skin cells, produce more melanin as a defense mechanism. This increased melanin production leads to skin darkening or tanning. And don't forget to visit our website. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel. Share the video. Like, comment.